So the local government has increased it to a red alert, and it now includes Isla Mujeres and Cancun, whereas before it was only orange and did not include Isla Mujeres and Cancun. It still does not include Bacalar and other cities, but they are now in an orange alert. So the storm is intensifying, but it's also speeding up. It was supposed to hit the land around 7. It's now going to hit about 2 to 3 in the morning. So hopefully that diminishes the damage that happened, but we'll keep an eye on it for you and keep you posted from here on out. All right, thanks.